Amsterdam is the capital city of the Netherlands and one of the most popular tourist destinations in Europe. It is known for its beautiful canals, historic architecture, vibrant nightlife, and cultural landmarks. One of the most iconic features of Amsterdam is its canal system, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Visitors can take a boat tour along the canals, admiring the beautiful buildings and bridges that line the waterways. The city is also home to numerous parks and green spaces, including the Vondelpark, which is a popular destination for locals and tourists alike. Amsterdam is also known for its historic architecture. The city's most famous landmark is the Anne Frank House, which is the hiding place where Anne Frank wrote her diary during World War II. Other notable landmarks include the Royal Palace of Amsterdam, the Rijksmuseum, and the Van Gogh Museum. The city is also a hub for culture and the arts. Visitors can explore the numerous museums and galleries, including the Stedelijk Museum, the Rembrandt House Museum, and the Museum of Modern Art. The city is also home to numerous music venues, theaters, and festivals, including the Amsterdam Dance Event and the Holland Festival. Amsterdam is also famous for its nightlife. The city is home to numerous bars, clubs, and entertainment venues, and visitors can enjoy live music, dance parties, and other events throughout the night. The city is particularly famous for its coffee shops, which are establishments where marijuana can be legally consumed. In addition, Amsterdam is known for its food scene. Visitors can indulge in traditional Dutch cuisine, such as stamppot and bitterballen, as well as international cuisine. The city's numerous cafes and restaurants serve up delicious food, and visitors can enjoy a coffee or a beer in one of the city's many cafes or bars. Amsterdam is also a very bike-friendly city. Visitors can rent bikes and explore the city on two wheels, taking in the sights and sounds of this vibrant city at their own pace. The city is also known for its progressive attitudes towards sustainability and green initiatives, making it a popular destination for eco-conscious travelers. Overall, Amsterdam is a city that offers something for everyone. With its rich history and culture, stunning architecture, vibrant nightlife, delicious food, and bike-friendly streets, it is no wonder that Amsterdam is one of the most popular tourist destinations in Europe.